Hyderabad Bicycling Club, which emerged as the world's largest cycling club online with a membership of over 5,300 members, having overtaken the Denver Cycling Club USA in the process, organized today's event. Today's event is a solidarity ride with Aditya. Aditya is our Hyderabad Bicycling Club's active member and icon. He rode from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, a distance of 3,800 kilometers last year, and along with me and the team Hyderabad, he rode from London to Paris, a distance of 518 kilometers last year, and now he has taken up this ride from Manali to Leh, which is the world's highest motorable road. It is a very challenging ride, and he has taken up this ride to express our solidarity with this physically disabled cyclist. We have taken up this ride. Aditya lost his right leg totally in a ghastly road accident when he was going on his motorbike. That was 5 years ago, and he has overcome that disability to take to cycling. When we launched our first bike station at Necklace Road, that was the time he started cycling, and in this less than 3 years he achieved all this. So we wish him all the best in this latest ride. And HBC has taken up promotion of cycling aggressively, because cycling is good for our physical well-being, for our good health, and it is good for the environment, for the society, because that is the greenest mode of transport. So we are determined to change the commuting culture of Hyderabad with more and more cyclists on the roads, and we are building the enabling infrastructure of bike stations and cycling tracks. Our third bike station, we already have two, the first at Gachibowli and the first at Necklace Road, the second at Gachibowli. We have positioned nearly 500 bikes at these two bike stations. The third bike station with a much larger capacity would be commissioned in the near future, that is at High Tech City MMTS. This is to cater to the requirements of software professionals who get down at that station, and we provide last mile connectivity from the MMTS to their respective workplaces, and this bike station would help in achieving that. And we are working closely with the government to build more and more cycling tracks. We are sure that in the next 1 year's time, about 60 kilometers of cycling tracks will be ready in the Cyberabad area with the support of the state government, that is GHMC and APIIC, who are very active in creating this enabling infrastructure, and they are our close allies and partners. Today, we have placed before the government, before the Honorable Minister, Sri K.T. Ramarao Garu, a unique proposal. The proposal is developing the space between the ORR and the service road. All of us have seen there is a wide space of land available between ORR and service road. We proposed that it should be developed into a nice cycling track and jogging track with restrooms, with food courts, etc. And that would enable us to host international marathons, international cycling events, in addition to making it a happening place where people can go in the morning, in the evening, over the weekends, and spend time there, either jogging, walking, or cycling. So that would make Hyderabad the happening place, and it would make Hyderabad the destination for setting up, for conducting major cycling or jogging events. So we are very happy that Sri K.T. Ramarao Garu very favorably responded to our request, and he assured us that the government of Telangana would very favorably consider this proposal and make it a reality very soon. We are highly grateful to him for that.